pala?
Ng pala.
Akin pa po tayo na.
Yung gusto ni Lola Rene dito, yung pala.
Yung pintami kayo dito, yung pala.
Pala.
Actually, sabi niya kami, nakotan ka lang ng pengkulo.
Ng pengkulo.
Kasi siyempre, ay kayo ang
Iset nila rin po. Kaya niya pa na nakiputing mo.
Hindi niya pa makinig.
Busy ako.
Sige, sige basta makuha ka.
Yan, lobster, oh. Mas kunin mo yan? Ay, wag!
Kapatid!
Denny pa, balang lobster lang naman, Denny.
Nano na kasi
Kuracha.
May anak kayo?
Sige, sige.
Ininom ko ng dinner. Yes!
Pinagsini ka rin ng...
Ala akong gana.
Mekat mong cups eh.
Karetay ko lahat si kapatid.
Gusto mo bang papano?
Hindi na ako.
Nakita niya ni Alison, she wants to experience
Lamre mo?
the
Nightlife?
original, no, the original, the Island Lucy, Tampere.
Sige, I'll bring you there.
Sabi ko, I'm gonna drop her there and I'll come back.
Gusto mo bukas? May nakabukas? May lakad mo bukas?
Pero di ba yun dapat yung
May Tampere, may Tampere.
Ali, alanik maging leather. It's already hindi na siya yung unlike before, it's really on the side of the street. Right now it's a restaurant, parang karinderya.
You don't have the total.
But it's still the alim to see.
No? Kasi sinabi ng... Di ba
Ganda
dati?
rin is. It's in the same place, in the Riles, but it's no longer like the open. It's like a restaurant.
Pero yung original, yung original.
Oo, sasabihan mo kaya, sinabi ng Karen, ay, yung restaurant na. Sabi ko, libre na kami.
Before when we were in college, it's, ano yan, it only opens at night. Kasi nga, during the day, it's like the terminal for the tricycles. And then, so they only open at night. And the added flavor is the smoke coming from the tricycles and the chimney. That's why it's flavorful.
I think ano mag-i-enjoy